Hey friends, it's Len down at 1A Auto. Today we're going to be doing a very simple job, a fuel cap on a 2016 Ram 1500. This is going to be the same on most any vehicle, but for this particular application, it's what we're doing. Here we go. We're going to come over to this right here, open it up. Here's our old gas cap. You might notice it wobbles around quite a bit. Maybe you have a check engine light for an evap leak. That could be possibly because of this seal right along here, or even right in there. There's a little valve. So basically you want to check it. If you see any cracks, debris, garbage on there, just replace it. Very easy. So here we have our old cap. Has a whole bunch of nice words on there. You can read them beautifully. Here we have our new cap. Also some nice words. Just a couple cautionary things. You know, be careful, blah, blah, blah. Wear safety glasses. Turn it till it clicks. Anyway, turn it around. We got a nice seal over here. This is the new one, obviously. The old one. It's got a decent seal. Looks like it's still okay. There's a valve in there, a valve in here. Can't really see them, but we're going to go with the assumption that, yeah, they're in there. Same size. Looks like it should screw on perfectly. So let's go ahead and do it. We're going to take this new one, quality 1A Auto part. We're going to put it in, turn it to the right until we hear a click. Close this.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.